Stock market.
On the New York Stock Exchange, Dow futures recovered some, but are currently down over about 400 points. S&P 500 futures down 53. The Nasdaq down about 139. Adjusting the numbers you see on your screen right there. CBS 2's Magdalena Doris joins us live from the New York Stock Exchange with more now. Maggie.
Good morning, Chris and Mary. News of a Donald Trump presidency has sent the stock market into a bit of a spiral overnight. Overseas markets are down, and stock futures in our country also took a dive. Uncertainty about the future of America's economy has investors pulling money out of the market.
We're really in uncharted territory right now.
Futures falling overnight to extremes, a sell-off sparked by the surprise election results. At the low point overnight, Nasdaq futures plunged 5%. That is the furthest it's allowed to fall. Dow futures were down more than 800 points. To give you an idea of the shockwaves this election has sent through the market, the Dow fell 610 points when the Brexit vote came down in Britain.
We saw that massive sell-off immediately following the Brexit vote. So I guess the question here is whether or not this sell-off will be short-term as it was after the Brexit, or if this will be something more long-term.
We've since seen a bounce back in the U.S., but news of a Trump presidency is also spooking international investors. At one point, the Nikkei dropped 5.5%, and Hang Seng dropped about 3%. The Mexican peso plummeted to an all-time low, down 11%. Donald Trump's anti-trade stance and unpredictable nature may be the root cause of the instability in the market.
Markets don't like uncertainty, and there's just so many question marks surrounding Donald Trump and his presidency and his policies and what it would mean for everything from trade to immigration to taxes. And that's really the question mark that's hanging over the markets right now.
In response, investors are turning to what seems to be a safe bet: gold. Prices surged 4.5%. Right now, numbers are still down, but futures seem to be rebounding this morning. Dow futures are down 402 points. The Nasdaq down 139. The S&P down 53 points. Now, traders are starting to arrive here this morning. Of course, the stock market opens at 9:30. That's when trading begins, and we're expecting quite a volatile start here on Wall Street. Live in the financial district, Magdalena Doris, CBS 2 News.